Welcome to my channel Ampere Universe. This is the second part of the 3 to 30 volts 10 amperes regulated power supply. This part covers the area of voltage and current regulation. The voltage and current that are required must first be provided by the step-down transformer to get the required regulated output. The selection of voltage taps at the secondary of the transformer helps to adjust the total voltage that is needed to be regulated. This voltage and current regulation part of the power supply has three sections. Those three sections are: 1. Voltage regulation. This section uses the positive voltage regulator LM317 IC. 2. Current regulation. This is carried out by the NPN transistor BDA139. 3. Output current booster. This section uses the series pass transistors such as the 2N3055 power transistors connected more than one in parallel. Section 1. Voltage regulation. This section consists of the voltage regulator that is fired around the LM317 IC voltage regulator. This is an adjustable 3-terminal positive voltage regulator that can supply more than 1.5 amperes of current with an output voltage of 1.2 to 37 volts. The positive voltage output from the rectifier and filter stage is given to the input pin of this IC. It requires two external resistors to set the output voltage. By connecting a fixed resistor such as 240 ohm between the adjust and output terminals, the LM317 IC can function as a precision current regulator. The adjust terminal is connected to a 5 kilo ohm variable resistor to select the voltage between 3 to 30 volts. This pin can be bypassed by using a capacitor to achieve very high ripple rejection ratios. An optional output capacitor is also added to improve the transient response. The LM317 IC also includes current limiting, thermal overload protection, and safe operating area protection. Therefore, it provides many features that could improve the regulation and safety of the voltage regulator. Section 2. Current regulation. The output current is controlled by a device like an NPN power transistor BD139. The regulated output voltage from the Vout of the LM317 IC is fed to the collector of the BD139 transistor. A 10 kilo ohm potentiometer is used to adjust the output current. The ends of the 10 kilo ohm potentiometer are connected to the collector and emitter of the BD139 transistor and the middle terminal to the base. The adjusted voltage and current output is taken from the emitter terminal of the BD139 transistor. The total current output from the emitter of BD139 will not go beyond 1.5 amperes, as the output current limit from the LM317 IC is only around 1.5 amperes. Section 3. Output current booster. The output voltage and current at the emitter of the BD139 transistor can be adjusted by the voltage and current controlling potentiometers. The maximum output current from the emitter terminal of the BD139 transistor will not exceed 1.5 amperes. Therefore, NPN power transistors such as 2N3055 are used in parallel to achieve the current requirements. Each 2N3055 transistor provides approximately 5 amperes of current. Therefore, two numbers of them are connected in parallel. The collectors of both transistors are wired together and connected to the output of the rectifier and filter stage. The bases of the 2N3055 transistors are wired together and connected to the emitter of the BD139 transistor. The emitters of each 2N3055 transistor are connected to the load through a 1 ohm 5 watt resistor. Adequate heatsink must be provided to the 2N3055 transistors so that they do not get heated up and fail. Uses and applications. 1. This power supply is used to provide voltage for RF driver amplifiers, power amplifiers, and linear amplifiers in transmitters. 2. This regulated power supply can be used as a bench power supply to run electronics projects and DIY. 3. It is used to charge large rechargeable batteries in a Radio Shack. 4. It may also be used to power circuits such as audio power amplifiers and other circuits that require high current.